Welcome to PCWizKid's Tech Talk. Today we're looking at the coolermaster Masterbox 540. This is a mid-tower ATX case, as you can see here, with a nice tempered glass. We're going to look at this more in detail. Here's the model number. It has ARGB support. That's one of the highlights as well of this case. Very nice slick look, as you can see, very clean lines. The main features, of course, being the ARGB controller and connector that it comes included. The removable top panel, very nice at the top, so you can install that liquid cooler. Here are the dimensions. You can pause the screen if you like to take a look at those more in detail. We're going to go through opening up the case now and taking a peek inside so that we can see these expansion slots, the support for the different motherboards, and of course where you would want to basically install things when it comes to your fans. Now, here's a look at the back of the case, of course, with those 7 expansion slots. The included 120 millimeter ARGB fan, as you can see right there. And, well, taking out the side panel is very easy. Just one little screw at the side and then it slides right out. There you go. And then the power supply, of course, there's this bottom portion that you can remove to get to that, but basically keep that in mind, 188 millimeters or 295 depending on how you rearrange things on the inside. Front fan support, you can install 3 fans. As you can see, I just took out the front panel so you can get a closer look at that. I would recommend installing a liquid cooler on the inside, you know, a dual or a triple, and at the top as well, same size fans, of course. You can see there 3 120 millimeters, or you can install 140s. And same thing for the radiator, whether you install it on the top or on the front, same sizes. Of course, at the top I would put a thin radiator, about 55 millimeters. CPU cooler size up to 165 millimeters in height. Keep that in mind. Super long graphics cards, basically pretty much any size supported. The motherboards, ideally, I would say ATX, micro ATX, and your mini ITX boards to really nicely fit in there and give appropriate amount of air. So that's my suggestion for the boards, as you can see right there. Good cable management arrangement in there. Flipping it over to the other side to continue that thought, you can see there all the cutouts. 2 combo drives there that you can take out, obviously easily put in there with the Toolless Design. It makes it very easy to snap in, slide in, and click. Away you go. And there's, again, a view of where the power supply would go at the back. Now, connectors, there's the standard connectors from the I/O, as you would expect. And the ARGB connectors, which of course come included, and you would plug into the nice little ARGB controller, which allows you to switch between the different colors, you know, reset, change that. And of course, in the case, you get all these different types of screws, twist ties, and rubber grommets. Now, on the bottom of the case, you do have a dust filter as well as the front and the top, which I showed you earlier at the top, and those are removable. When it comes to installing your ARGB, well, it's up to you, right? I recommend installing a liquid cooler at the top or at the front. That's going to really open things up. The top, of course, comes out to make things easier for you to install, but it's up to you how you want to do this. Pretty much, it's very nice, the front with the ARGB and having that lighting going across up and down. It's very nice to look at. It's up to you. Prices are right now on Newegg and on Amazon around $135 US. Okay, I'll add the link below if you're interested on that. But both on Amazon and Newegg, I saw them there for $135 US dollars. Well, I definitely thought that there was a very interesting case from coolermaster. Comment below. Let me know what you think about it. And again, I'd like to thank coolermaster for providing it, and thank you for watching.